Hi, I'm Kelly from Metro Payment Technologies. We've partnered with NMI to bring you our customized Metro Payment Gateway. Today's video will be covering the topics shown below. We hope you find this video helpful, and please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.
If you are building a custom iOS app and intend to have Apple Pay support, the Apple Pay settings screen has some notes on how to get started and some information that you'll need to have. On this page, you'll have to enter your Apple Pay merchant ID, which you can enter here. There's some information on how to get that merchant ID from your Apple developer portal if you don't know how. And you'll just save that when you have it. And at the bottom, you have our certificate signing request, which you can download and follow these instructions to get it into your app. We also have links to Apple's documentation, as well as our own integration portal, where you can go to Direct Post API, documentation, and there's an Apple Pay section with some notes, some information on how to use it with the API, as well as the ability to download an example project.
Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions regarding our gateway, please contact us at 1-800-771-3719 or email us at service@metropaytech.com. Also, be sure to check out our website, www.metropaytech.com, to see all the other products and services we offer, including our new Fee Buster program, which offers you zero processing